unboxing and setup video for the brand new Precision Raceworks E9X E8X in-tank fuel filter regulator. You open the box, this is what you get. We have the main unit with a 7.89 female quick connect, 5-bar regulator with a 1-to-1 boost reference vacuum port, wires to connect your float sensor. Underneath you have your input and your regulator dump and a replacement Venturi piece, which we'll get into that later. And the other end of the wires for the fuel float. Inside here is the fuel filter. It can be serviced from the top by undoing these 3 bolts, or it can be serviced by unscrewing the bottom like so, and gaining access to the fuel filter. So that's that unit. Additionally, inside the box, you get a feed line which has 2 connectors on it, and a return line which has only 1 connector on it, as well as your sticker and a business card. Now, what does this do? This replaces your factory fuel filter regulator assembly. This is a brand new one out of an E9X, and as you can see, they're very similar in many ways, including even the direction of the output.